Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So today we are having some news regarding S24 series, and possibly S24 series will has been tipped that it will come with less camera sensor, one less. It will come with three camera sensor, and it is expected because it is going to replace the telephoto sensor with a new solution which is continuous zoom. So yeah, they are going to remove the 3x sensor. So technically you're getting only three sensors, which is nice. Like some mobile has also said like you could get fewer cameras for your money, but yeah, you are getting only three camera because they use 3x telephoto and 10x optical zoom, 10x periscope, because between like if you use only 10x you can't zoom at 3x level or something related to it, so it was troubling. And at the same time, like anything between 3x to 10x is blurred out, it's not good, it's not nice looking. So that's why they use like mid-level zoom 3x telephoto, because you need a 3x because you are not always zooming at 10x, you're zooming it at 3x or something like that most of the time. So that's why they implemented it. But now since they are going to go with a new camera sensor which is going to be a continuous zoom camera sensor, then yeah, when you specify it for like a continuous zoom, then you don't need it because you can continuously zoom from 1x to 2x to 3x to 10x. And there was rumor like r- it will also be 150x, like they are going to increase it from 10x to 15x periscope sensor, but it has been confirmed like it is not going to be happening as of now. And RC News has also said like they are going to merge like 3x camera sensor with the periscope sensor and make a continuous zoom sensor, which is a nice. And it is going to be looking much better. It will be looking much similar to S23 series and much slimmer, not Ultra, but S23 series and S24 Ultra will look slim and nice. And it will not have 150 times zoom, it will just have 100x zoom, which is been said as of now. So, yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one.